What is personal financial literacy? Personal financial literacy is the capability to understand the financial principles, which help to manage money effectively and wisely. The essential part of personal financial literacy is knowing how to manage money. To become personal financial literate, newbie earners need to take a step to implement personal financial principles in life. Financial literacy is important for newbie earners because a proper understanding of personal finance concepts helps them to manage the earning effectively. Money is easy to mismanage. It will lead to a financial struggle in the future. If newbie earners spend time to learn how to manage money and apply those skills in life, they can build wealth easily. What are the benefits of personal financial literacy? The benefits of personal financial literacy are countless. However, here are a few important points to look out. Net worth will grow continually, irrespective of what you earn. Helps to avoid going into debt, even with lower earnings. Less financial struggle in the older ages, even if don't have any income. Better household finances, even in the situation of increasing expense.